This is coming from Janes.com. Boeing is in negotiation with the Philippines regarding a potential sale of its AH-6 light attack and reconnaissance helicopter. With the U.S. State Department having recently approved the potential sale of Boeing's AH-64i Apache Guardian attack helicopter to the Philippine Air Force, Terry Jamieson, director of Vertical Lift International Sales, said that the company is exploring the possibility of selling the AH-6 to the Philippine Army as well. "We are actually working an AH-6 campaign with the Philippines. The Army has expressed an interest in the capability, and we are answering their questions and providing information on the helicopter. But I wouldn't want to say anything more than that at this stage," Jamieson said. While the Philippine Air Force has a twin-engined attack helicopter requirement for which both the Apache and the Bell AH-1Z Viper offer, the Army is looking for a single-engine light attack helicopter. The service does not currently field a helicopter type, but any AH-6 procurement would likely replace 12 aging MD-500 MGs of Philippine Air Force.